Good morning friends, my name is Abhishek Singh and I am an educator with Omega Tutorials. And this is our first video, which is, you can also say that it is our introductory video which tells that who we are. But before going ahead and before going to tell you who we people are and why we are here, first of all I'll discuss what our sole objective is behind making a dedicated channel regarding education, regarding the words of wisdom of all subjects. Now our sole objective is that we want to make you people very thorough with entire concepts of your education regarding any subject that you are studying. It can be physics, it could be chemistry, it can be maths, it could be English, and also I want to make it very clear at this point of time that we want you people to be very thorough. That's why I'm repeating this line second time, that very thorough in concepts means that you can look outside the concepts like a transparent, translucent thing. Okay, now that was our objective. Now what is our mission? Why we as a team of educators came and made a channel? Our sole mission is to make education propagate in all the four directions being of nature. So now propagating nature means what? Propagating wisdom, propagating knowledge is that I want to make you people come and make use of these videos so that you can guess, you can learn, and also you could become very thorough with your learning process. Now before going ahead, I want to introduce myself and what is my academic qualification. As I told earlier, my name is Abhishek Singh and I'm an engineering graduate. Also I have done MBA, so you can say that I am a business graduate as well, and currently I am pursuing MPhil in public administration subject. Also I am a UPSC aspirant and I have given mains twice. Okay, so that was my introduction, the academic qualification I am having. Now going in the very specifics of what our channel Omega Tutorials is going to do. Omega Tutorials are making videos that are thoroughly covering, if I say, all boards, the central board CBSE, and also we will be covering the entire content from class 7 to class 12. And I want to make it very clear that we are not differentiating between any boards. Now also apart from CBSE, we will be taking all courses and subjects from class 7 to 12 of ICSE board. There would be a kind of question that comes in your mind that will our videos will cater to the groups of class 12 or not. So I would make it very clear that yeah, we will be taking all the groups like maths group, which includes physics, chemistry, math. So we will be making dedicated videos of all these three subjects. Also we will be exclusively doing commerce and making videos of accounts, economics and business studies. Apart from this, also there is a value offering, a value addition from our side, that not only we are concentrating on the academic front, but also we want to make you very scholastic, and also we want to make you very we are taking other exams. We will be also making exclusive videos regarding other exams, like for example NTSE. Now what is NTSE? NTSE is National Talent Search Examination. National Talent Search Examination. Now NTSE is a kind of scholastic exam that is being conducted by Government of India with assistance of CBSE board. It is an exam that checks a scholastic aptitude of you children, and if you crack this exam, you will be given full assistance regarding your education in terms of a scholarship being given by Government of India till the time you pursue your education. So that was our offering. We as a team are offering these things and these courses. Apart from this, I can say that you children are an immense bundle of energy, but it's a problem that we face, and the problem is that you children couldn't concentrate, or it would be better if I say that you children couldn't converge your entire energy at a single point. You lack your motivation. So I want to make it very clear that our videos will be exclusively based on concepts, and that would be interactive as well. You can even send your feedback if you like the videos as well. Okay, apart from this was my offering. Now, lastly, I want to say that please, if you like our videos, please hit the like button. Also, share and subscribe if you feel it beneficial for your end. And also, I will be very thankful if you comment and give a feedback to us that where we lack or in which part we are excelling. Thank you very much. Thanks.